Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 3 of AI for Product Managers. In this episode, we'll learn how Netflix uses AI. Close your eyes for a second and imagine Netflix as a city. In this city, every person has a unique taste of movies and shows. Your favorite thriller might not be the same as your friends, but somehow Netflix always seems to know exactly what you'll enjoy next. How do they do it? How does a company serve hundreds of millions of people, all different, but still make each experience feel personal? That's the story of data, AI, and smart decisions. Let's start with the foundation. Let's start with the data. Every click, pause, every show you skip or you abandon leaves a footprint. Netflix does not just collect this information, it studies it. Think of every action as a message you send about what a user wants. Some data is structured, some might be unstructured, but for Netflix, this data is not just numbers, it's a map of human preferences, a lens into what people love, what you skip, and what keeps you engaged. Now imagine this Netflix has this massive map of preferences, but how do you turn it into real, actionable recommendations? That's where AI comes in. AI analyzes the patterns and predicts what a user will enjoy next. It looks similar users and what they liked, finding the patterns you might not even yourself have noticed. It studies content attributes like genres, actors, themes to see what aligns with your taste. It reads the text and subtitles to understand the storylines, the emotions, whatever you prefer, so that it can suggest based on what your mood is. Socially, it keeps learning. If you skip something, the AI adjusts. If you change to a different show than usual, it adjusts accordingly. It fine tunes the predictions continuously. Netflix doesn't just recommend shows, it shapes the entire viewing experience for you. The images you see for a show, the order, the thumbnail, the order of rows on your home, the quality of streaming on your device, all of this is personal based on your behavior. And every small change is tested if it improves engagement. As a PM, this is the key lesson. AI isn't an add on, it defines the experience itself. Data and AI don't serve just the user experience, they guide big strategic moves. Take House of Cards, for example. Netflix noticed a strong interest in political dramas and viewers and preferred certain actors and directors. Instead of relying on intuition and traditional pilot testing, they greenlit the show based on the data they recorded and suggested it would be a hit, and actually it was. Now, of course, with all this power comes the response. It tracks vast amounts of personal data. Algorithms can create bubbles and inadvertently reinforce biases. Now, AI isn't just responsible about predicting what users want, it's about doing it ethically and responsibility. So, if we look at Netflix from start to finish, the story becomes clear. Data reveals the human preferences, AI interprets the patterns, every user experience is personalized, and all this data is turned into a business strategy. If this video inspired you, hit subscribe and let's meet in my next video where we'll learn something new.